Hello friends, Sri Rasayana Devu Nama, Standard 12th, English Medium, Chapter Alcohol, Phenol and Ether, in which today we are going to see about the 6th number video. Till now in this chapter we have finished 1 to 5 videos. Now today we are going to see about the chemical reactions of alcohol and phenol. In that we have reached in second part now. Okay, so let us start that. Class 12 English medium, chemistry, general organic chemistry, alcohol, phenol and ether. Upanishad Science Academy, Rajkot and Limkheda, we have two different branches. From there I, Devang Prajapati, from last 8 years I am teaching chemistry subject. So first of all, chemical reactions, in that cleavage of OH bond we are talking about. So the first, that is acidity of alcohol and phenols, we were discussing at the last in part 1 also. From there only we are continuing. Now today we are starting the acidity of phenol. Till now acidity of alcohol we have done it. Now acidity of phenol we are going to discuss. So the reaction of phenol with metal like sodium, aluminum and sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, indicates its acidic nature. So phenol is having the acidic nature. How we come to know? By the reaction with sodium aluminum metal or with NaOH. So by this we can come to know that the hydroxyl group in phenol is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. Suppose this one is the benzene ring. Now you know that the alternative double bonds are present, and where OH is attached, this particular carbon is having sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, which act as an electron withdrawing group. It can act as an EWG. Okay. Then due to this, the charge distribution in phenol molecule as depicted in resonance structure, because of this there is a formation of resonance structures, causes the oxygen atom of hydroxyl group to be positive. Let us see that. First of all, in phenol, ONH, the oxygen is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 unpaired or non-bonding electrons. Now in second structure, if you will see, the double bond will break and then it is going to convert into the single bond over here, whereas this double bond will be situated in between carbon and hydroxyl group. So there you will be able to seeing the double bond characteristics, partial double bond characteristics, and OH will become the positive charge, and the minus charge, it has been distributed on the ortho position. Then in next structure, if you will see, the remaining other things are the same, only the double bond position it has been changed, and the negative charge from ortho position it has been moved to para position. Then after that again negative charge is circulating on first on ortho position, then on para position, once again on ortho position, and the double bond position it has been changed. Okay, and at the last again same structure OH. Okay, how we have started. So this is what ortho, para and ortho again. Okay, so this is what the resonance structure of phenol. Okay, now next, the reaction of phenol with aqueous sodium hydroxide indicates that phenols are stronger acids than alcohols. So we can write it and water. Okay, we can say that the phenol is having the more acidity as compared to the alcohol, and then water. Let us examine how a compound in which hydroxyl group attach to aromatic ring is more acidic than the one in which the hydroxyl group is attached to an alkyl group. So suppose if R OH, that is hydroxyl group, is attached to aromatic ring, then how it is more acidic than the ROH? Let us see that. Okay, the ionization of an alcohol and phenol takes place as follows. ROH, in alcohol the ionization will be taking place. It is going to convert into the alkoxide ion. Okay, this is the alkoxide ion, and H plus is liberated. Whereas in case of phenol, the ionization will be taking place and it is going to convert it into the phenoxide ion. And H plus. So very simply we can say that here, यहाँ पे हम एक सिंपल बात बोल सकते हैं that अगर आयोनाइजेशन हो रहा है तो आयोनाइजेशन के टाइम पे अल्कोहल जो है वो हमें अल्कोक्साइड आयन देने वाला है एंड फिनॉल है वो फिनोक्साइड आयन को प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ ड्यू टू हायर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ऑफ फिनॉल, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन की जो फिनॉल का है वो ज्यादा है, टू विच OH is added, जहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डिक्रीजेस ऑन ऑक्सीजन, उसकी वजह से जो डेंसिटी है इलेक्ट्रॉन की, ओके, वो ऑक्सीजन के एटम के ऊपर डिक्रीज होने वाली है. दीज इंक्रीजेस, उसकी वजह से पोलैरिटी ऑफ OH बॉन्ड एंड रिजल्ट्स, दीज इंक्रीजेस द पोलैरिटी ऑफ OH बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोक्सिल बॉन्ड की जो पोलैरिटी है वो बढ़ जाएगी उसकी वजह से, एंड रिजल्ट्स इन द इंक्रीज इन द आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ फिनॉल्स. उसकी वजह से आयोनाइजेशन जो है वो फिनॉल का बढ़ जाएगा एज कंपेयर टू द अल्कोहल. देन नाउ लेट अस एग्जामाइन द स्टेबिलिटीज ऑफ अल्कोक्साइड एंड फिनोक्साइड आयन. वो दोनों की स्टेबिलिटी के बारे में हम अभी एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे. In alkoxide ion, पहले हम बात कर रहे हैं अल्कोक्साइड आयन के बारे में। द नेगेटिव चार्ज लोकलाइज्ड ऑन ऑक्सीजन, जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है दैट विल बी लोकलाइज्ड ऑन द ऑक्सीजन एटम इन अल्कोक्साइड, while in case of phenoxide ion the charge is delocalized। नेगेटिव चार्ज जो है वो फिनोक्साइड आयन में डिलोकलाइज होता है। ओके, फिनॉल में हमने देखा, अभी फिनोक्साइड में भी मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको। द डिलोकलाइजेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज विल फॉर्म द स्ट्रक्चर नंबर 1 to 5, वो 1 से 5 स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे फिनोक्साइड आयन में, मेक्स द फिनोक्साइड आयन मोर स्टेबल, उसकी वजह से फिनोक्साइड आयन ज्यादा स्टेबल बन जाएगा। एंड फेवर्स द आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ फिनॉल, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग इट फेवर्स द आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ फिनॉल। Although there is a charge, there is also charge delocalization in phenol. Its resonance structures have charge separation, due to which the phenol molecule is less stable than phenoxide ion. फिनोक्साइड आयन से फिनॉल जो है वो लेस स्टेबल है, मतलब कि फिनोक्साइड आयन इज मोर स्टेबल एज कंपेयर टू दी फिनॉल। सो लेट अस सी दैट फिनोक्साइड आयन के अंदर हम बात करें, सबसे पहले ये आपका फिनोक्साइड आयन देख लो, ठीक है, नॉर्मल बेंजीन, एंड देन उसके ऊपर ऑक्सीजन विथ 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन विथ नेगेटिव चार्ज। देन ये जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा स्ट्रक्चर नंबर 2 में, नेगेटिव चार्ज इट हैज बीन ट्रांसफर्ड ऑन ऑर्थो पोजिशन, whereas double bond position it has been changed, now it is in between carbon and oxygen. Number of electrons it has been changed on oxygen, only 4 electrons are there now. Okay, then structure number 3, in structure number 3 if you will see the position of double bond it has been changed, and the negative charge it has been delocalized on the para position, here it was on ortho position. Then structure number 4, position of double bond it has been exchanged, and then the minus charge, negative charge, it is on again on ortho position. Okay, so here you can say that in ortho position, then in para position, again on back on ortho position. Last structure will remain same as in phenoxide ion. Okay, so these are the resonance structures of phenoxide ion. Okay, then in substituted phenol, the presence of electron withdrawing group, that is EWG, such as electron withdrawing group, that is nitro group, enhances the acidic strength of phenol. But when, if it is present on, such groups are present on ortho and para position, then okay, it is due to the effective delocalization of negative charge on phenoxide ion. Just now we have seen the structure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on other hand, electron releasing group, that is EDG, means electron donating group also you can call it. Okay, such as alkyl groups in general do not favor the formation of phenoxide ion, resulting in decrease in the acidic strength. Cresols, for example, are less acidic than phenol. Okay, now we have the table 11.3 pK values of some of the phenols and ethanol are given. you can see that the orthonitrophenol, the formula already you are aware. The pKa value is 7.2. Then metanitrophenol 8.3. Paranitrophenol, here you can use the short form ONP, MNP, PNP, that is paranitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol and metanitrophenol. Okay, so there you can see that for metanitrophenol 8.3, for paranitrophenol it is 7.1, for phenol it is 10, then for orthocresol it is 10.2, metacresol it is 10.1, paracresol it is 10.2, ethanol it is 15.9. Here all these pKa values, okay, can be asked in form of MCQ. Okay, in increasing order, in decreasing order, even the values also can be asked. Okay, so try to remember this table. Okay, now from the above data of this table, you will note that the phenol is million times more acidic than ethanol. Ethanol, you can see that it is 15.9, whereas in case of phenol it is 10.0. Okay, so a million times more acidic than phenol. Okay, so phenol is more acidic as compared to the ethanol. Okay, now the second reaction, okay, that is for esterification. So let us see that alcohols and phenols, alcohol ho, phenol ho, react with carboxylic acid, acid chlorides and acid anhydrides to form esters. So let us see that reactions. First of all, alcohol react or phenol react with carboxylic acid, it is going to form the ester and liberation of water molecule. Then the second one, react with anhydrides, it is going to form alcohol, react with anhydride to form ester and carboxylic acid. Whereas with acid chloride, here alcohol with carboxylic acid, here alcohol with acid anhydride, and then with acid chloride. Okay, with carboxylic acid it form ester and water, with acid anhydride it form ester and carboxylic acid, with acid chloride it form ester and HCl. Okay, so this is what the esterification reaction. Okay, now the reaction with carboxylic acid and acid anhydride is carried out in the presence of small amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. We have to keep it there, the presence of sulfuric acid. Reaction with the carboxylic acid and acid anhydride. The reaction is reversible and therefore water is removed as soon as it is formed. जैसे पानी बनता है तो पानी को रिमूव कर लेना है, तब जाके वो रिएक्शन जो है वो रिवर्सिबल नहीं होगी, वरना वो वापस वही की वही चीज़ हमें दे देगी. ओके, सो वी हैव टू रिमूव द वाटर एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. देन द रिएक्शन विथ एसिड क्लोराइड इज कैरिड आउट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेस पिरिडिन. याद रखना है, ये एमसीक्यू में भी पूछ सकते हैं आपको. पिरिडिन बेस की प्रेजेंस चाहिए दोस्तों एसिड क्लोराइड के लिए, so as to neutralize HCl which is formed during the reaction. It shifts the equilibrium to the right hand side. Okay, the introduction of acetyl, that is CH3CO group, in alcohol or phenol is known as acetylation. So if you are adding acetyl group then in any chemical reaction, then it is known as an acetylation. Here in alcohol and phenol we are going to add the acetyl group, that is CH3CO. That's why the name of the reaction they have given, that is acetylation. Okay. Acetylation of salicylic acid produces aspirin. Let us see that. First of all, salicylic acid, that is on benzene ring we have carboxylic acid and OH on ortho position, that is known as an salicylic acid. React with CH3CO twice, that is with the acetyl group. Okay, so the salicylic acid is reacting with the acetyl group. Okay, this process is known as an acetylation. It is going to produce the acetyl salicylic acid, which is famous as an aspirin. Okay, and liberation of acetic acid, साथ में एसिटिक एसिड भी बनाएगा वो. Okay, so this is what the acidity of phenol. Okay, this is what the reaction of acidity of the phenols. Okay, in last session, not in this 6th video, in 5th video we have seen the acidity of alcohol, whereas in this 6th video, आज के ये सेशन में हमने acidity of phenols के बारे में बात की है. Okay, so that's all for today. If any doubts are there, then you can comment it in the comment section. कुछ भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके आप कमेंट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, इवन मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल भी है जिसमें भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो, जिसकी लिंक आपको ये वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर दी गई है. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू.